Welcome. This channel helps you learn English through stories and real conversations. You'll improve listening, speaking, and discover life, culture, and simple ideas at the same time.
Listen carefully, repeat instantly, speak like an echo, say it out loud with confidence. The more you practice, the faster your English fluency will grow.
My name is Conchita, and I want to tell you a story. It is not about big success or big money. It is about small things. It is about how small things can bring joy, even when life feels heavy. I used to think joy was only in big events. A new job, a new house, a big trip. But one day, I lost my job. I felt empty. I thought joy was gone. Then I started to notice small things. That is when my story began. One morning, I opened my window. The sun was soft, not strong. It touched the wall in my room. The color was gold. I stood there, and I felt calm. It was only light, but it gave me peace. I said to myself, "This is joy. It is small, but it is real." Later, I made coffee. I held the warm cup in my hand. The smell was strong. I took a slow sip. The taste was simple, but it made me smile. I thought, this cup is not expensive, but it gives me joy. I walked outside. The street was busy. Cars moved fast. People hurried. But I saw one man stop to tie his shoe. He looked funny, and I laughed. It was a small moment, but it broke my heavy mood. On the corner, I saw a flower. It grew between stones. No one planted it. It was just there. Pink and bright. I thought, this flower fights to grow. It is strong. That flower gave me hope. I passed a bakery. A woman stood at the door. She smiled at me. I did not know her. But her smile was kind. It felt like a gift. I carried that smile with me all day. In the afternoon, rain came. People ran to hide. I stayed under a small roof. I watched drops fall. The sound was soft like music. I felt safe. I thought, rain is not only wet. It is also song. I walked past a bookshop. I did not go inside. I only looked at the window. I saw colors, covers, and shapes. It was enough. I thought, joy can be in looking, not owning. At the park, I saw an old man feed birds. He moved slow, but his face was bright. The birds came close. He laughed. I thought, he finds joy in this. I can too. At night, I sat outside. The sky was dark, but stars showed. I counted them. 1, 2, 3. I stopped at 10. I felt small, but I also felt part of something big. That gave me joy. That day taught me something. Joy is not only in big things. Joy is in small things. A smile. A flower. A cup. A star. I started to collect these moments. I called them small treasures. They cost nothing. They are everywhere. After weeks, I felt different. I was still without a job. But I was not empty. I had joy. I had peace. I had hope. I learned that joy is not far. It is near. It is in the small things we see, touch, and hear. If you feel heavy, look around. Look at the light. Taste your coffee. Hear the rain. See the smile. Count the stars. Do not wait for big events. Joy is here, in small things. Now I wake each day with a new plan. I say, today I will find one small joy. Sometimes it is a sound. Sometimes it is a color. Sometimes it is a face. It is always enough. That is my story. That is how I find joy in small things. And I hope you can too.